Hello everyone, in this video I will show you pocket option review, whether it's a real or fake, right? Now pocket option have generated a lot of mixed reviews in this year, raising questions about its legitimacy in a trading platform. Now I will just give you a complete overview about this. The user experience, what's a scam allegation? The first is the user experience. Many users on the forums, on the Reddit, they just complain about this stuff here. So if I just take you to Reddit here, you can see pocket option is a complete scam. Here I mentioned the complete detail with the screenshots and everything, which rarely somebody this days some guys do, right? They report issue with the withdrawing scams, they report issue with the withdrawing funds, state that the platform often block accounts or delay withdrawal, block accounts or delay withdrawal, especially when users are profitable. Some user alleged that they were asked for their exclusive verification document and faced account blockage after attempting to withdraw the earning. Yeah, this is one of the biggest scam allegation. The second is a lack of regulation. Critics highlight that the pocket option is not regulated by any major financial authority, which raises concern, right, and about the trustworthiness. Regulated bodies such as SEC or FCA do not oversee it, leading experts to advise against using it for the trading due to potential risk of frauds. But there are also some kind of positive review, right? So if I just take you the review, but this kind of review is only in pocket option website. And if you know that if you run a website, you can completely change the reviews. Some long-term user claim they have successfully withdrawn funds without issuing, asserting that the platform does pay out under certain conditions. So actually, I cannot say right now this is completely a scam, but I can, aware you, make you cautious that given the significant number of negative reviews and the lack of regulatory oversight, potential investors should exercise cautious while considering pocket option, right? And there's a mixed kind of user experience, so still you should do a complete market research before using this kind of application, because this is not regulated by the government. Anytime government can shut this up, right? So thanks for watching this video till here. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.